I'm Gary from Paddleboard Specialists, and this is the SIC Maui X-14 14 by 29.5 in the semi-carbon custom construction. This board has 296 liters of volume. That, combined with its 29.5 inch width, make it an extremely stable, comfortable, and high-performance touring platform. Also very suitable race board for a bigger paddler, guys, say 200 pounds plus. At 155, I'm too light to really get it to pull as hard as it could with a bigger paddler on it, but it's still super fun as a touring board. Let's take a close-up look. You can see the standing area is cut in and shaped in such a way that any water that does get on the deck drains through the tail. There's modest raised bow, so any water that comes over the bow tends to roll off the sides, minimizing the amount of water that gets into the standing area, which would then, of course, flow right out the back. This board has an integrated deck rigging kit, ready to go right from the factory. Also has an insert right behind that, and another behind the carry handle, which is designed to slide your paddle through the ropes there, allowing you to carry the board a very long distance while holding your paddle. Here's a close-up view of the bottom of the SIC X-14. Fairly straight outline provides superb tracking. Soft rails allow the board to stay true and stable even in choppy side chop conditions. As you go to the tail, the tuck minimizes and you get a hard release. That helps the board go to glide as quickly as possible. A full displacement bow. Piercing style nose, which very efficiently displaces water, gives the board excellent glide. Let's put this in the water now. I'll show you how it works.
Here's Gary on the X-14, semi-custom carbon.
First got to try this board at the Outdoor Retailer Show last August. I must have tested 50 different boards that day. But this was one of only two that I got on, and I said to myself, oh my God. And what got me to say that is just how smoothly this board glides. It seems to be pretty effortless to get it up to speed, and it just keeps on going and going and going. It's really effortless, and I like that. The other thing is, not everybody may know who Mark Rapphorst from SIC is. He's the leading open ocean race board designer in the world. In the open ocean races, his boards comprise about 90% of the field. So Mark's the real deal. So when you're getting an SIC board, you're getting a tremendous amount of expertise, experience, and testing. Ready? I'm 155 pounds, and I would describe this 296 liters as being a little bigger than what I'm really used to paddling, but I do a lot of racing. But in terms of a touring, cruising board, for me, I really enjoy it. I think it'd be an awesome race board for a big guy. Guys say 190, 200 pounds plus. And in terms of a board to use in flat water and chop and light downwind conditions, one of the nicest.
Hi, I'm Chris Rosario from Paddleboard Specialists, and we're out here today trying the SIC Racing 14. It's a semi-custom carbon, and I weigh 185 pounds. And you know, we've been looking long and hard, and you've always heard us talk about the Bark Dominator and comparing boards to the Dominator, and I got to tell you, I mean, this X-14 has great glide. I'd put it up against a Dominator in a heartbeat. And it's got great stability, same maneuverability that we saw on that 12.6. I think we kind of feel that the fin might be a bit small, so I think depending upon the size of the paddler, you might actually want to upgrade to a little bit of a bigger fin, but all in all, it's a great paddle.